So we have Sridhar Swami's commentary, and then Vishwanath Madhvacharya and Srila Prabhupada. So Sridhar Maharaj, he doesn't say very much on this particular point. He says this verse is talking about positive emotions or negative emotions by fear or lust or anger or affection or intimacy or attachment. Once you become attached to Krishna, approach Him, offer these feelings, be they positive or negative, solely and completely to Bhagavan Sri Krishna, and they will benefit us, they will liberate us and give us love. And then he says, Sridhar Swami is very brief. Therefore, what Shukadeva Goswami is saying, to become somehow or other attached to Krishna is the cause of liberation. Because the whole idea here is that the gopis became attached by lust, and they became so-called lust, and they became liberated from all their negative qualities, and of course the perfection of life. So he says that, and now Vishnu Chakravarti says a little bit more. He says, listen, Parikshit, you should understand the conclusion very clearly. The Braja Gopis and others always offered their lust, or their mood of lust. They worship Krishna with a mood of lust. They offer their lust to Krishna. Shishupal offered his hatred. Manacharya, he writes it, he translates Vishnu commentaries, offered his lust, offered his hatred, offered his fear.